早上好，欢迎来到 Parrot， 我是 Gabriel。It's Wednesday again. Time to take them out. 周三啦，带出去飞飞啦。依赖。飞。Let's go. Today's site is still safe as a tent. Let's go. A good morning start with good coffee. Maybe not that good, but good for me. Chairman is there, training his new green wing. Other friends are here. Oh, Noah goes to Dubai. Let's take a look who's here.
Say hi.
Give it another 3 months, I think he can talk. Shirley? Does he or she? He has a name? What's the name? Aladdin. Oh, Aladdin. How old is this one now?
8 months.
8 months. Okay. So cute, eh? I really like the sound. 6. He's gonna fly very quick. Noah. Eli?
Kalalasaan mo lang sa kanya.
Yeah, there are a lot of small birds. These two really scare camera. I know that. Yay.
Hi, morning.
Morning. Where's the Amazons? Oh, inside already. They can fly well, right? How many months? I don't remember. 2 or 3.
Now it's 6 months and
So you've been training them for 3 months, I think, probably, right?
oh, 3 months
3 months, good.
and
So good.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Yan, meron sobrang bigat ka. Indalus. Yan, dati yan.
okay. We're about to go. Follow, share, and leave your comment below. Let me know what you thought. This is Parrot. See you next time. 点赞、关注、分享啊！评论一下，拜拜。